The most tested brake combo on the market, Bendix General CT disc brake rotors and disc brake pads undergo countless hours of strenuous testing to international SAE standards and are tested on both our in-house dynamometer and in real-world conditions to ensure a perfectly matched braking solution that delivers great value and maximizes quality. Our dynamometer allows us to test our products to the extreme and simulate a wide range of driving conditions with complete consistency to deliver maximum reliability, durability, and braking performance. This testing means that we're also able to develop and offer unique benefits with our Bendix General CT range. Bendix General CT disc brake rotors are a direct replacement disc brake rotor that, unlike some other manufacturers, utilize an OE design that meets or exceeds OE requirements, making them perfect for everyday vehicles. Through testing, we've also been able to incorporate high-quality metallurgy to provide improved heat dissipation for reduced brake fade under demanding conditions, while offering added longevity and value. Bendix General CT disc brake rotors also feature our new Australian industry-first patented Swift Check wear indicator for a quick and easy way to estimate remaining disc brake rotor life. Utilizing concentric circular grooves that are machined into the disc brake rotor surface, the Swift Check wear indicator bullseye narrows and disappears progressively to display varying degrees of wear so that you know when a replacement is required. Pair the disc brake rotors with our Bendix General CT disc brake pads, and you have the perfect everyday brake package. Based on rigorous testing, including international SAE standards, Bendix General CT disc brake pads have been shown to meet or exceed both OE and competitor levels when it comes to pad life, rotor life, noise, and low dust performance. This testing also showed that General CT disc brake pads deliver reliable and secure stopping performance, with smooth and consistent pedal feel through its use of proven compounds. This stopping performance can be felt right out of the box with Bendix's blue titanium stripe technology, which eliminates the need for bedding in. Fitting Bendix General CT means low dust, low noise, longevity, and confidence-inspiring braking performance for your everyday drive. Ask your local parts retailer for Bendix General CT disc brake rotors and disc brake pads today. For more information, visit www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.